Good evening. So in this video, we will discuss the first page of chapter number 16, that is page number 266. Okay, so first of all, we try to understand the meaning of the title of chapter, that is management of natural resources. I think management term okay, to manage something, okay, and natural resources. So in a kind of resources, the formation of such kind of resources in it, nature playing an important role. मतलब nature having a role for formation of some kind of resources is called as natural resources. So I am starting now the first paragraph. We have learnt in class 9th, that is the chapter number 14 of class 9th, about some natural resources like soil, air and water. Yes or no? Yes, we have studied about, and how various components are cycled over and over again in nature. I think you may remember what you have studied in chapter number 14, that is water cycle, nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle, carbon cycle. So those kind of cycles are performed in our environment. Okay, this is what given here. In the previous chapter, we also learned about the pollution of these resources because of some of our activities. Yes, definitely. That is the chapter number 15. In that chapter, we have learned how pollution of these resources occurs because of some of our activities. In this chapter, we shall look at some of our resources and how we are using them. So what we have to learn in this chapter, that is how we will use our resources, what are the tricks, means how we treat our resources. Maybe we should also think about how we ought to be using our resources so as to sustain the resources and conserve the environment. Means same meaning of this sentence, that is how we have to use our resources so that we can sustain the resources. Sustain means we have to use at full efficiency, okay, and conserve the environment. Conserve means protect the environment. We shall be looking at our natural resources like forest. Okay, forest means, I think you know, wildlife. Wildlife means an organisms are living in forest, like both herbivores and carnivores, like deer, okay, then lion, tiger, okay, those organisms, okay, included and form wildlife. Then water, coal and petroleum, and see what are the issues at stake in deciding how these resources are to be managed for sustainable development. Sustainable development means the development of some resources at the full efficiency, means at very full efficiency, at proper way, okay, it should be developed. Okay, okay, so this is the meaning of sustainable development. Then I want to clear one thing, that is the meaning of petroleum. I think if you are thinking like petroleum means petrol, then that is wrong. You are misguided. Okay. The meaning of petroleum, the petroleum is a mixture of petrol, diesel, kerosene, all the crude oil products are combined together and form petroleum. So petroleum is a mixture. Petroleum is not only a petrol. Okay, so please try to correct yourself if you were wrong. Okay, we often hear or read about environmental problems. Yes, why not? We have already discussed in chapter number 15. These are often global level problems. Okay, often means sometimes global level problems, means Okay, some problems are at world level. Global level means world level. If we talk about if India is suffering from, or India is you know same thing, India is suffering from tsunami. So tsunami is not a world level problem. If we talk about corona, yes, that is a world level problem. And sometimes we feel helpless to make any changes. Yes, definitely right now, without vaccine, it is very difficult to reduce the corona effect. So sometimes we felt we are very helpless, okay, to do anything. So what we have to do? I am reading next line. There are international laws and regulations. Yes, okay. There are so many laws and regulations about environmental protection, and there are our own national laws, yes, and acts for environmental protection that you may have studied in social science, SS in detail, I think. There are also national and international organization. Okay. So there are so many organizations at national level and international level working towards protecting our environment. So basically, their role is to protect our environment anyhow. Okay. So this is all about the first two paragraph of this chapter. Activity 16.1 and 16.2 is not the examination point of view, so you can cut it. Then last paragraph of this chapter, that is awareness about, that we will discuss in next video. So this is all about this video. Basically, this is the introduction part of chapter number 16. Please listen carefully, and if you will find it any difficulty, you can ask me. So thank you very much.